this is a fun activity, and you could have this in your kitchen. You could have it eat, you could have it food, you could also do cook, any type of words that you want. You could even do pictures of your family and put family, but I'm going to show you how to do this one. And this one you're going to want to find a cookbook, and I have a cookbook here. You take pictures out of the cookbook. I decided to go with desserts to show you how you're going to do it. And you take a page out, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it on your letters. These letters are letters that you can get. They're called paper mache letters. You can get them for about $3 a letter for the dimensional ones at any of the hobby stores. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, any of those will have these paper mache letters. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use your Mod Podge. And what I do is I put a little bit of the Mod Podge on the largest area. Now I have to be honest with you, when you start doing this, keep in mind this is going to be a week-long project because you have to do it in these really slow steps. And what I do is I then place this on and see, I need to have it over a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Allow yourself plenty of space so that your letter is in the center and you can fold it over. Then what you're going to want to do is fold it over. When you're folding it over, literally take it with your finger and press it so you get that nice, crisp fold. Then you're going to take and do your letters at the bottom. At the side, I guess is a better way to describe it. Now this is where you're going to be taking a while, because after you get this on, then you've got to do the other sections. You go ahead and you Mod Podge it on the sides. You're going to want to clip it and let it set overnight. Actually, it really helps. These clips are available at my favorite shopping place, the Dollar Tree, for you get maybe 6 or 8 for $1. And then you're going to want to clip it, and you're going to want to clip it at the front and the back. You can at this point, if you want, you can put another layer of Mod Podge on this, or you can wait until later. Kind of depends on what kind of surface you want. If you want it to be more like this surface, you're going to put a layer of Mod Podge on the front after you finish it. And then you're going to want to clip. And you don't do this one until the next day. And then you look over here and you realize that you're going to have, you're going to have to push it down a little bit, and you get it all the way down. You get this done and you let it set. Then after it's dry and everything, what I do is I take this tool, and when everything is dry and done, then you can take your tool and do the same thing as what you did with your paper when you put it on, and place it over, again clipping it down. This is where you'll have to use a lot of Mod Podge, because the tool will not stay unless there's a lot of Mod Podge. and clip, and clip, and clip, and let it dry. And then what you'll get, again, like I said, this took me probably over a week to get made, just because you have to do a piece here, a piece there, clip it, let it set, let it dry, and then do the next one. I did a little stand at the bottom. You could certainly do that. And then what I find is there's these great little cocktail forks that you can get. I think it's 50 for $1. Again, at my favorite place, the Dollar Tree. And you can get these and you can glue them on, or you could take some silverware that you have in the house that's old and you could glue that on. Anything you want for the silverware. And in the end, you have a unique and interesting kitchen ornament that you can put into your kitchen.